just got done taking my first class with Fernanda. I'm so excited that I decided to take this class. It was absolutely amazing. Fernanda knows so much. Her knowledge base is incredible.
Thanks very much to Fernanda for such an amazing course.
She has taught me the technique for tattoo camouflage, and what that is covering up scars or skin stretch marks and things like that on the skin, and covering them back to nude color, skin color. And it was just an amazing class. It was very in-depth. She's very knowledgeable. She's very understanding.
Fernanda, thank you for all the knowledge. Your training was the best.